evaluate the integral of cosecant cube x dx. So if we have integral of the power of cosecant raised to add exponent, just like for our example, it has an exponent of 3 which is add. We can use integration by parts. Or if you want, you can also use the derived reduction formula for the integral of the power of cosecant x. But we will use the integration by parts formula now. So using IBP, integration by parts, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. But I'll split the exponent first of cosecant x. The cosecant cube x, I'll split into cosecant squared x times cosecant x dx. So I'll let u be equal to cosecant x and dv be equal to cosecant squared x dx. So we differentiate the u, derivative of u derivative of cosecant x, it's negative cosecant x cot x dx. Then for the dv, we integrate. Integral of dv is v. Integral of cosecant squared x, it's negative cot x, cotangent x. So therefore, using integration by parts formula, the integral of cosecant cube x dx is equal to uv. U is cosecant x times the v, which is negative cot x, then minus the integral of v du. V is negative cot x, and then the du is negative cosecant x cot x dx. So therefore, we'll have cosecant x times negative cot x. That's negative cosecant x cot x. And then negative integral of, so let's multiply negative times negative. It will become positive cot x times cot x, cot squared x times cosecant x dx. So we apply Pythagorean identity for cot squared x. So negative cosecant x cot x minus integral of cotangent squared x. So we express in terms of cosecant using Pythagorean identity. It's equal to cosecant squared x minus 1 times cosecant x dx. So negative cosecant x cot x minus the integral of, let's distribute the cosecant x, multiply cosecant squared x times cosecant x, cosecant cube x. Then minus 1 times cosecant x dx. Negative cosecant x cot x, distribute the integral symbol. Then negative integral of cosecant cube x dx, negative times negative, positive integral of cosecant x dx, which is equal to integral of cosecant cube x dx on the left side. So we can combine these two integral of cosecant cube x dx. I'll transpose the negative integral of cosecant cube x dx to the left. So we'll have integral of cosecant cube x dx, then plus integral of cosecant cube x dx. Then equal on the right side, negative cosecant cot x plus the integral of cosecant x dx. We already have a standard integral formula for cosecant x. It is equal to ln of cosecant x minus cot x. And then we add 1 integral of cosecant cube x dx plus 1 integral of cosecant cube x dx. That's 2 integral of cosecant cube x dx equal to negative cosecant x cot x plus ln cosecant x minus cot x. So to solve for the integral of cosecant cube x dx alone, we eliminate the coefficient 2 by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. So we'll cancel out the 2 here. We have integral of cosecant cube x dx equal to 1 half. So there's a negative sign in cosecant x cot x. So we'll have negative 1 half times cosecant x cot x, then plus 1 half ln of cosecant x minus cot x, then put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.